Yeah. So I'm at Salou Beach, and yeah, I'm just filming some night shots. It's evening now, and I'm not sure what's happening, but they have some kind of airplane show, or and I don't know, stunt show. So I will just film a little bit as well and stick it onto the vlog. The street is a little bit, they closed it down from one way. Well, actually the end of Salou, or the end of Givant Beach, and I'm not sure where they closed it in the front, but this gives me the chance to film and just walk on the street. It's like a Saturday, Sabado, and it wasn't busy at all in the midday. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna probably search online or whatever to see why everybody is here and they are so eager to see this airplane show. I think it's some kind of, because I also heard they have some kind of training, like army training, so that's also a possibility that they are doing that. But I mean, what I saw was more of a stunt show kind of thing. There is nothing really happening at the moment. No idea where he is. Let's film a little bit Salou at night. Salou Boulevard now, walking towards the center aka the strip. So I'm not going to say too much, but I'm just gonna film the ambiance, so to say. What I noticed in the evening, they have more like food trucks and stuff here as well. So that's also a nice thing to see. So definitely go in the evening, so you can also experience that, you know. But yeah, bear in mind it's very busy, you know. I saw you have like tacos, and what do you have here? I mean, basically everything. Not even going to try to explain. Kebab. So that's a little bit of the strip.
Sushi. Oh man, you good?
So that is apparently some kind of famous club here in Salou. Maybe some kind of Jamaican food, I don't know. With that name it should be, but yeah. So basically at night it's time for the bars and the restaurants and the little like dinner places, yeah, and the cannabis places. So still a lot to do, you know, and you can definitely find your way here, and it's always more, I mean, the vibe is more lively, or how to say, it's more cozy now than during the day. So you should definitely go at night like 1 or 2 times if you're here, depending on how long you're staying, but you can definitely chill out here. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think you get the feeling or the vibe how it is here at night. It's probably even more busier during the school vacation holidays and stuff, because I'm here now in September, so it's not like super high season, but you can imagine when it's high season, when everybody has their holiday going on. So see you in the next one, guys.